Hello my animal jammers, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be telling you guys that sadly my old account, the Athlix26 account, has been hacked. I know, I don't know how it was hacked, but someone figured out my password and somehow they changed my password, so now I cannot get back into my account. So I just decided to make a new account. I got these two rares from playing the Search for Greely a couple of times. So yeah, the rare bow was the first time around, and then the rare lily was the second time around. So yeah. But this is my new account. How I got this is because I have a backup account for this account. So yeah, this is the new account. I will be changing my YouTube name, my YouTube banner, and my YouTube icon just so I can have a fresh start, I guess. So yeah, sadly, this is my new account, and yeah, you may buddy me, but you can't send gifts. But you can gift me when I'm online and you are at my house. My house is always going to be unlocked for everybody to come join. And I cannot be a member because my grandparents do not want to pay for it. They think it's a scam, but it's not. I have that wolf and then I have this tiger with this account, so yeah. I'll mostly be on the wolf, so look out for the wolf, and yeah. So when you see me, you may gift me or buddy me, do whatever. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!